म्हापशा मरडातल्या इसार बिल्डिंगेतल्या बेसमेंटातल्या एसआर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉपाक उजो लागलो। फायर ब्रिगेडीन उजो आटापांत हाडून बेसमेंटातली बाकीची 15 दुकानां वाचयली। मजगती खोतीगांव दायपोडा सुमार 7 एकर उसाच्या शेताक उजो लागून मोठे लुकसाण जाले।
One shop by name SR Enterprises was totally involved in fire. Basically, this building is ground plus 3 floors, including the basement. This shop was in the basement, and they were having all these electronic items. And since it was very dense smoke, okay, the firefighters had to cut to the shutters, put the breathing apparatus, okay, and enter for firefighting. As the fire was big, we had to ask additional reinforcement from headquarters. So total 3 vehicles were involved in this firefighting operation. It took us nearly about 50 minutes to bring the fire under control. What we could save is the remaining shop which is on the basement next to the SR Enterprises. There are about 10 to 15 shops here. So we have controlled the fire from spreading to the other shops, and you can have a visual see of how the smoke has traveled. And dense smoke has traveled through all other shops.
मजगती मांडवी पुला लागी परवरे विधान संकुला लागच्या दोंगरार उजो लागलो। खोतीगांव दायपोडात लायटीचे शॉर्ट सर्किट जावन प्रसाद वेळीपाच्या उसाच्या शेताक उजो लागलो।
अचानक थंय आवाज जालो 8:30 सुमार की उजो पेटले। ताका लागून धांवत आयले। मागीर वयर पळयल्यार कळलें की शॉर्ट सर्किट जालो म्हणून लायटीचें। जी लायट वता थंय सावन उजो पडला आनी सकयल उसाक उजो पेटलो। आनी जवळ आमचे 7.5 एकर उसाचे क्षेत्र आसा ते सगळे जळून गेले।
व्हडली एरिया ह्यूज एरियाक उजो लागलेलो आसा आनी एक सायडीन दुसऱ्या सायडीन जे कटिंग चालू आसले तेंचे लोक आसले तेंच्यांनी हेल्प केलो आनी आमी आमचे फायर फायटिंग स्टार्ट केले।
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
आदलो डीआयजी विमल गुप्ताच्या लाच प्रकरणात सस्पेंड आशिल्ले PSI देवयानी आंबेकार, पोलीस कॉन्स्टेबल चेतन मोरजकाराक आनी देवयानीच्या घोवाक पणजे स्पेशल कोर्टान शेनवारा अटकपूर्व जामीन दिलो। अटक केल्यार 50,000 रुपयांच्या बॉन्डाचेर तिगांकय सोडचो म्हण कोर्टान ACBक निर्देश दिल्यात। कोर्टाच्या परवानगे बगर गोंया भायर वचूं नाकात म्हण कोर्टान तिगांकय सांगला।
The bail for Chetan Morozkar has been granted. The judge has given him conditions stating that in case of arrest he will have to furnish a 50,000 rupees surety, and he should not leave the state of Goa, and that he should not induce any witness.
आदलो DIG विमल गुप्तान PSI देवयानी आंबेडकराकडच्यान डिपार्टमेंटल इन्क्वायरी क्लियर करूंक 40,000 रुपयांची लाच मागिल्ली। DIG ऑफिसात काम करपी कॉन्स्टेबल चेतन मोरजकारान विमल गुप्ता वतीन देवयानीच्या घोवाकडच्यान हे पैसे घेतल्यात म्हूण आरोप आसा। चेतन मोरजकाराची चौकशी करपाची आसा, ते खातीर ताका अटकपूर्व जामीन दिवं नाका म्हूण ACBन नेट लायल्लो।
The written complaint that they had filed and the FIR, if you check, their dates were different. The date of information was different, the date of complaint was different, who had given the complaint was not mentioned. So there were many discrepancies that we pointed out to the court, and they were not specifying as to what documents they require. So they were not giving proper explanation as to what they require from them by keeping them in custody. So there the judge was convinced, I believe, that the custody was not required. And they were already cooperating with the investigation. They had been called 2-3 times to the department, various departments actually. They even appeared before the Lok Ayukta. Before the anticipatory bail was heard, actually, the arguments were heard. So, as per these conditions, it was very obvious that they are very much cooperating and custody was not required at all.
IPS ऑफिसर विमल गुप्ता सध्या अंदमानात आसा। हे केशीत थाकाय मेळची म्हूण तो अजून मेरेन तरी कोर्टात वचूंक ना। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.
राज्यात चलपी मटक्याक गृह खाते सांबाळपी मुख्यमंत्रीच जापसालदार. ताणे मटको बंद करून दाखोवचो नाजाल्यार गृह खाते सोडचे म्हण आदलो मंत्री मिकी पाशिकोन चॅलेंज दिल्या. सगळ्या आमदारांनी आपापल्या मतदारसंघात मटको बंद करपाक फुडाकार घेतल्यार मटको बंद जावंक शकता अशेंय मिकी उलयलो.
मुख्यमंत्री खबर आसवा इज द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट. ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो खात्याचो होम डिपार्टमेंट जरी तर दर एक पुलीस इंस्ट्रक्शन दिता जे बीट बरयता तेका इंस्ट्रक्शन दिता बाबा हो मडको आमदारान सांगितले म्हणून हुमक्याकूच दिवपा जाय म्हणून जाल्यार ही मेसेज होम डिपार्टमेंटाक पावना, मुख्यमंत्री पावना. मुख्यमंत्री को हे खातें मुख्यमंत्री को ना मुख्यमंत्री सोडचे. हें तर खातें सांबाळपा जायना, खातें सांबाळपा जायना. पारेकारा कडेन पारेकारान रिजायन जावचें हें मुगे मागणें नाजाल्यार टोटल बंद जावचें. आनी हांव चॅलेंज करता दोनूय पक्षा कडेन आनी जे सपोर्ट करता ह्या सरकाराक सपोर्ट करता ताका चॅलेंज करता. तुमी कोण दाखोवचे म्हाका, हांव तुमकां सालूट मारता. तुमी कोण दाखय जाल्यार बाबा हाल हेंगे येवचें आनी प्रेस करचें बाबा प्रेस घेवचें आनी सांगचें आपले मतदारसंघात एक जाग्यार पासून मडक्या दोन चलना म्हणून. आनी मडक्या दोन चलता जाल्यार तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो कार्ड धंद्याचेर ते जियेताय.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.